market recap for Wednesday, October 16th. Wednesday is cattle auction day at the Green City Livestock Auction. A couple of stick-out sales there. 79 head of 766-pound heifers at $246. 75 head of 714-pound heifers at $258 and a quarter. 64 head of 852-pound steers, $253.75. 64 head of 919-pound steers at $250.50. 62 head of 880-pound steers at $253. 61 head of 930-pound steers at $244 and a half. Looking at the afternoon slaughter cattle review for Wednesday in the Southern Plains and Nebraska, negotiated cash trade has been at a standstill. Last week in the Texas Panhandle, live FOB purchases trade at $187. In Kansas last week from $186 to $187. And the Western Corn Belt, negotiated cash trade has been mostly inactive on very light demand. Last week in Nebraska, live purchases traded from $187 to $188 with addressed at $296. Last week in the Western Corn Belt, live purchases $187 to $188 with addressed at $296, few up to $298. Daily box beef cutout values, choice cuts valued for this afternoon at $319.13 up $230. Select cuts at $292.37 up 28 cents. That's based off of 145 total loads. 79 of choice, 45 of select, 7 of trimmings, and 14 loads of grinds. The choice select spread at $26.76. Estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection for Wednesday. Estimated cattle receipts at 125,000, steady with last week and 1,000 less than a year ago. The week today estimate 370,000. Estimated hog receipts for Wednesday 486,000, steady with last week and 8,000 more than a year ago. The week today estimate 1,446,000. Closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade. Corn contracts December 404 3/4 up 3 1/2, March 420 1/2 up 3 cents, and May 428 3/4 up 2 3/4. November soybeans down 11 cents at 9.80, January down 9 1/2 at 9.94, and March down 9 cents at 10.07 3/4. December wheat 585 up 5 1/2, March 605 1/4 up 4 1/2, and May 616 up 4 1/2. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle uneven. October up 32 at 187.05, December up 7 at 186.60, and February down 42 cents at 186.97. Feeder cattle contracts, October down 42 cents at 246.10, November down 97 at 245.50, and January down 87 at 243.35. Lean hogs, October 77.70 up 247, February 81.10 up 180, and April 85.05 up 125. Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers. The daily trends for Wednesday: soybeans 11 lower to 9 higher, wheat 6 higher, corn 4 to 9 higher. Corn bids in St. Louis $4 to $4.02, Kansas City at $3.60 to $3.65. Milo in St. Louis at $4.67. Soybeans in St. Louis $9.97 to $9.98, Kansas City $9.15 to $9.70, and wheat bids in St. Louis at $4.95 to $5.45. That's your market recap for Wednesday, October 16th with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter. Have a great day.